Today I'm sharing with you how to make Jamaican roast fish. So here I have a red snapper, just going to clean it up. I have some shrimp as well. Now I'm going to wash the snapper and shrimp with lime, season with my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning. In my pan I add coconut oil. Here I saute onions, garlic, sweet pepper and scallions. Here I add some pop char. I season with my fish soup flavored mix. Here I add some Scotch bonnet chopped up. I add some okra. Here I add a cup of water. Allow it to come to a boil. Here I add some shredded carrots. Here I'm going to fold the file paper and make a pocket to hold the fish and the shrimp and all the sauce and vegetables. So here I'm just going to add everything, and I add everything hot. I add fresh thyme on top and 2 pieces of butter. Now I'm going to fold it, put it on a baking tray, add a cup of water, put it in the oven for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. After 25 minutes, this is how it looks, my people. Cooked to perfection. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and tasty. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out.